TxStampin, Sharon. I have got some fun things to share with you today. Oh my gosh. We're going to take a Christmas set and use it all year long. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to subscribe by hitting the button below and then hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video or do a YouTube live. If I can help you with any of your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, my website link is in the description box below. Let me show you what I'm talking about. On a recent video, I shared these cards with y'all that I made with so many stars. Now, this is a Christmas stamp set, right? Oh, nay, my friends. I have been busy working on some fun ideas for you because this is an investment. All these stars are an investment. Let's figure out a way to use them all year long, whatever the occasion. So in just using the stamps, the dies, not the sentiments, let me share with you what I've been up to. I love this stamp set. Enjoy life, okay? Great thank you card. All right. So we're going to make a card today with kind of a different fold. This fold was by accident. I don't even know what you call this. So we're not even going to call, we're going to call it Sharon's Boo Boo card. My card base is 4 1/4 by 7 1/4, scored and folded at 5 1/2. I have a piece of Whisper White that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now you would think that matches exactly, right? No, there is a skosh that needs to come off. Let's fix that first. This is the new Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer that starting November 1st will be available for you to purchase. There's some differences from the previous trimmer, and I want to share those with you. Hear how that clicks? It clicks into place so that the arm does not open while you're traveling or moving around or going to a friend's house to stamp. So that's one difference. The main difference that I love, let's just put this right here, is that you have a guideline all the way down so that if your paper happens to be a little crooked, you're going to see it, okay? So way excited about that. It does have an arm that extends all the way out to 17 inches. I don't even know if that's on my camera screen. Let's scoot it over. All the way out to 17 inches. That is one long piece of paper, but it gives you that variety that, you know, if you happen to have a piece of paper that was larger than 12 by 12, you're good to go. You've got an extension on the arm. It has a dark gray cutting blade and a light gray scoring. On our previous paper trimmer, you had to really push hard. On this one, you just want to kind of slide and glide. Don't push hard like you did on the other one, or you're going to ruin your blade faster. One thing you may notice is that in the groove, there is no rubber replacement. This one was designed not to need that. So like I said, to save your paper cutter, the cutter blade, just slide and glide. Just push it barely with your finger, okay? All right, so back to our repair. So like I said, whoops. Back to our repair. Like I said, I scored this at 5 1/2, and this is 5 1/2. However, that fold takes up a skosh. How much is that? No idea. I think it's a Southern term. It's just a little bit, okay? So we're gonna line this up, flip it over, make sure we're good and straight. And we're just gonna take off a skosh. That is a skosh. So I don't know how big that is. It's just a little bit. I have cut out using the rose glimmer paper and this image right here. Okay, cut it out with the glimmer paper. I'm going to get a little bit of liquid glue and my sponge. And we're going to add this here. Wait till you see all the other cards I've done. I was having a blast. And that's what I want to share with you. Whenever I'm having a great time, I want you to see the fun in stamping and being creative. So I have my Whisper White here, and I'm going to place it here. I am not going to adhere it just in case I make a mistake. So I'm not going to seal this flap yet. So almost looks like a little notepad from the office supply, doesn't it? I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what you call this. I'm using Blushing Bride. And one of the stamps from the Enjoy Life. And the Sentiment. Okay, so these stars are the ones that cut out of this, and I actually made a card similar, and I'm like, let's just see how this looks just by using the stars and see if we need anything else. I think I'm fine with that. I think that's pretty. I think it's got lots of glimmer. All right, so we're going to go ahead now. And we're going to adhere using snail. Making sure everything is all lined up. And now we have our little card. Isn't that cute? So while I have it open, I'll go ahead and add what's going to go on the inside. This layer is 4 inches by 5 1/4. Gonna bring in our silicone mat again with the liquid glue. Oh my gosh. My husband always loves it when I play with glitter because then I'll have glitter on at dinner when he comes home. Oops. I love the ease of this card and how different it is, okay? Even with my Boo Boo fold. But let me show you what else I've been doing. Okay, so this one went with Enjoy Life. This one is for You've Got This. Look at that, just the sparkle paper, a little bit of embossing. Did I stamp inside? I did. Here's to strong women, okay? Great bold sentiments, my favorite. And then I took Little Twinkle that it looks like it's for children, and I made a card for my husband. All I did was emboss with the hammered metal and then add yellow, and I love yellow and black, so I think that really turned out cute. And then here is the card that mimicked this one. One for a girl, one for a boy. So I hope that you can see past just Christmas.